Hello everyone, Zain with you, and today I'll show you how to open an account in Bank of Baroda online. First, you want to go and open your browser, then search for Bank of Baroda, then go for the first option. Then you want to go here and click on accounts, then go and choose the type of accounts that you want to apply for. Here you have savings accounts, salary accounts, current account, fixed deposit, etc. I'm going to use the salary account for example. Then I'm going to go and click on open. Then now here you can see multiple packages and multiple accounts. You can choose any one of them by clicking on apply online. Then here you should select the constitution of the account. Let's say that I want single name account, then click on continue. Then you should read this carefully, then click on proceed. And after that, we'll ask you to enter your details, your name, number, email, etc. in order to open the account online. And if you have any problem, you can go and contact the customer support by clicking on this option on the top right side, or you can contact them by clicking on this option also on the top right side. And if you would like to see all the types of the accounts, you can go to accounts right here, hover over it, then you want to go here to view all accounts or view all saving accounts in order to see all the types of accounts that you can actually choose from. And that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching and goodbye.